Hello again. Paula coming at you with another DIY. I don't know if you remember this or not, but not too long ago, I put the flea and tick topical treatment on my dog, and he had a severe reaction. Itching like crazy, panting, couldn't settle down for like 2 days. So that's it for that. Not doing that anymore. I always thought it was poison anyway, but you know, who wants fleas and ticks in their house? So I found a DIY recipe off of Pinterest, and I've been doing a lot of research, and I found that lemongrass essential oil, lavender essential oil, and cedarwood essential oil are the top 3 oils that pests do not like. And actually, lavender and cedarwood, they have a calming effect on the dog. And I've seen that firsthand, and it's safe to use. So I don't have any lemongrass. I have it on order, but my order doesn't go out till like the 20th. So I have to wait for that. So I'm just gonna make my own. Now the recipe calls for 2 cups of water. So I just filled my spray bottle halfway. Now I don't have any citrus oil, so I can use this plastic bottle. And it calls for 15 drops of lavender. So the lavender comes out one at a time. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Simple. And you can spray your dog with this like in the morning when they go out. 15 drops of cedarwood. And this is going to be a little, there we go. Spray your dog in the morning. Spray your dog later on. You can spray them like twice a day. And you can spray their bedding. Don't forget their bedding and anything that they lay on. And this smells really good, so who cares? Spray it on the couch. Seriously. Come on. Some of them come out really fast. Some of them come out really slow. And lavender and cedarwood in your diffuser at night while you sleep. Heaven. Just so you know. Heaven. All right. Now you're just going to mist your dog. You're not going to totally saturate your dog with this. And I guess if you wanted to, you could put some Witch Hazel in here too, because Witch Hazel, just a little bit, also has a, what do I want to say? Antibacterial properties, I guess. Okay, you mix it up, and then you spray your dog before he goes outside, at least twice a day. Just mist him, don't have to drench him. It's a good thing, I'll tell you how it works. But yeah, make it yourself with pure essential oils. Do not use the oils you buy on Amazon, and do not use the oils you buy at the store, because those are not pure and they could cause your dog to have some kind of skin reaction. They're altered oils. They're not pure. We have the seed to seal promise, and no other oil has that. All right. Have a good one. Bye.